A fresh biomimicry tale explores a remarkable adhesive inspired by marine mussels but redesigned for modern manufacturing and recycling. Researchers decoded mussel chemistry to craft a tunable glue that works underwater and at high temperatures, enabling sturdy repairs in harsh environments. This technology could transform aerospace, construction, and packaging by replacing volatile solvents with a safe, reusable bond that strengthens over time. The story highlights cross-disciplinary collaboration, showing how nature's chemistry guides durable, eco-friendly solutions. Viewers are invited to imagine a future where everyday repairs rely on nature's quiet genius.